Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts! Are you tired of using harsh chemicals to keep your home clean? Do you worry about the potential health risks associated with prolonged exposure to these substances? If you're looking for ways to maintain a sparkling clean home while reducing your exposure to toxins, you've come to the right place. Keep watching, because in this video, we'll explore a variety of natural cleaning solutions that not only effectively clean and disinfect, but also promote a healthier living environment for you and your loved ones. By choosing natural alternatives, you're taking a proactive step towards reducing health hazards like cancer, respiratory issues, and skin irritations that can be caused by long-term exposure to harsh chemicals. These eco-friendly options are gentler on your home surfaces, your skin, and the planet. Plus, they often cost less than their commercial counterparts, making them a budget-friendly choice for any household. Are you curious about maintaining optimal health for as long as possible and protecting yourself and your loved ones from toxic substances in our commercial household cleaners? Then commit to your well-being by tapping the like button and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss a thing. Now let's dive in. For countertops and tables, mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of lemon essential oil for a citrusy scent that'll make your kitchen smell amazing. The acidity in vinegar is powerful enough to dissolve grease and grime, while the lemon oil provides a natural antibacterial boost. When it comes to your sink and faucets, create a paste using baking soda and water, then scrub away. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that can effectively remove stains and odors without scratching your surfaces. Rinse with white vinegar for an extra shine that'll make your fixtures sparkle. For those tough oven and stovetop messes, combine baking soda, salt, and water to form a paste. Apply it, let it sit for a few hours, then scrub and wipe clean. The combination of baking soda and salt creates a powerful cleaning agent that can cut through even the most stubborn grease and burnt-on food. Your kitchen will be looking brand new in no time. For the toilet, sprinkle baking soda inside the bowl, add a quarter cup of white vinegar, and let it sit for 15 minutes. The fizzing action of the baking soda and vinegar will help loosen any grime and neutralize odors. Give it a good scrub with your toilet brush and flush those germs away. When it comes to your bathtub and shower, mix equal parts white vinegar and dish soap. The vinegar will tackle soap scum and hard water stains, while the dish soap provides a gentle cleaning boost. Apply the mixture, let it sit for 15 minutes, then scrub and rinse. Your bathroom will be gleaming. For mirrors and glass, clean with a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar using a lint-free cloth. The vinegar will cut through any streaks or smudges, leaving your surfaces crystal clear, working as well as or better than commercial glass cleaners. You'll be able to see your reflection in no time. For tile and linoleum, mix a quarter cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and 2 gallons of warm water. Mop away and watch your floors shine. The vinegar will help disinfect and remove any built-up grime, while the dish soap provides a gentle cleaning action. For hardwood, mix equal parts white vinegar and vegetable oil. The vinegar will clean and disinfect, while the vegetable oil will nourish and protect the wood. Apply the mixture using a soft cloth, then buff the floor to a stunning shine. Mix 2 cups of water, a half cup of white vinegar, and 15 drops of tea tree essential oil in a spray bottle. Tea tree oil is known for its powerful antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent addition to any natural cleaning solution. Shake it up and use it on various surfaces for a refreshing clean that'll help keep germs at bay. Want to keep your home smelling incredible without resorting to artificial air fresheners? Try this natural alternative. Boil cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange peels in water. The aroma will waft through your home, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that'll make you feel like you're in a fancy spa. Plus, the natural scents of cinnamon, clove, and orange have been shown to have mood-boosting effects, so you'll be promoting mental well-being while keeping your home fresh. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful oxidizer that can effectively kill mold spores and bacteria. If you're dealing with mold and mildew, don't worry. Mix equal parts water and hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle. Apply it to affected areas, let it sit for 10 minutes, then scrub and wipe clean. Say goodbye to those pesky mold spots and hello to a healthier, cleaner home. But wait, there's more. Let's explore some additional natural cleaning alternatives. Lemon juice is a fantastic natural bleaching and deodorizing agent. Mix it with water to clean and shine surfaces like glass, mirrors, and ceramic. The citric acid in lemon juice acts as a natural disinfectant and can effectively remove stains. Rub half a lemon on cutting boards to disinfect and remove odors, or combine lemon juice and salt to create a paste that can remove rust stains or polish metal surfaces. Castile soap is another versatile option. This biodegradable, plant-based soap can be mixed with water to create an all-purpose cleaner for surfaces, floors, and even laundry. Plus, it's gentle on your skin and the environment. Castile soap is made from vegetable oils, making it a sustainable choice for eco-conscious consumers. Essential oils are not only aromatic, but also have antimicrobial properties. Add a few drops of tea tree, eucalyptus, peppermint, or lavender oil to your homemade cleaning solutions for an extra disinfecting boost and a delightful scent. These oils have been used for centuries in natural medicine for their ability to fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Just remember to dilute them properly and test for sensitivity before using them throughout your home. Borax, a naturally occurring mineral, can be used as a laundry booster, toilet cleaner, or all-purpose cleaner when mixed with water. It's excellent at removing stains, neutralizing odors, and disinfecting surfaces. Borax has been used for decades as a safe and effective cleaning agent, and it's still a popular choice among those looking for natural alternatives. Cornstarch is a handy tool for absorbing oil and grease spills on carpets or upholstery. Simply sprinkle it on the affected area, let it sit, then vacuum. The fine particles of cornstarch will absorb the oil and make it easier to remove from the fabric. You can also create a paste with equal parts cornstarch and water to polish silver or remove stains from fabric. Salt, with its mild abrasive properties, is great for scrubbing and cleaning various surfaces. Combine it with lemon juice or vinegar to create a paste for tackling grimy or stained areas like stovetops or sinks. The abrasive texture of salt will help loosen stuck-on grime, while the acid in the lemon juice or vinegar will help dissolve it. Lastly, olive oil is fantastic for polishing and conditioning wooden furniture, cutting boards, or leather goods. Mix equal parts olive oil and lemon juice to create a furniture polish that cleans, shines, and protects wooden surfaces. The oil will nourish the wood and help prevent drying and cracking, while the lemon juice provides a fresh scent and a gentle cleaning boost. Now let's address a popular natural cleaning solution that's been making the rounds on social media: garlic. While garlic does contain a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have some antimicrobial properties, it's not the most practical or effective option for household cleaning. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, and it can help fight off certain types of bacteria and fungi. However, the concentration of allicin in garlic is relatively low and it quickly dissipates when exposed to air. This means that while garlic may have some mild antibacterial properties, it's not likely to be as effective as other natural cleaning agents like vinegar or hydrogen peroxide. Additionally, using garlic as a cleaning agent can be messy and leave behind a strong, pungent odor that may linger in your home for days. Garlic can also stain certain surfaces, particularly porous materials like wood or fabric. So, while it may be tempting to try using garlic as a natural disinfectant, it's best to stick with the other alternatives we've discussed, which are safer, more practical, and less likely to cause unwanted odors or stains. As always, remember to test any new cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't cause damage or discoloration. In conclusion, Making the switch to natural cleaning solutions is a simple yet powerful way to promote a healthier, more eco-friendly lifestyle. By reducing your exposure to harsh chemicals, you're not only protecting your own health, but also the health of your loved ones and the planet. Natural cleaning agents like vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils have been used for generations to keep homes clean and fresh. Not only are they effective at removing grime, stains, and odors, but they also provide a gentle and non-toxic alternative to commercial cleaners that can be laden with harmful chemicals. By incorporating these natural solutions into your cleaning routine, you'll be taking a proactive step towards reducing your risk of health issues like cancer, respiratory problems, and skin irritations. Give these natural cleaning solutions a try and see the difference for yourself. Your body, your home, and the planet will thank you. I hope you got a ton of value from this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a positive comment. What successes have you found with these natural cleaning substances? Are there other ones you found helpful? Please share in the comments. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you for watching.